Atmas. See, there is a proverb in Tamil, what is called Vallavanukku Pullum Ayudam. Means, for a skilled person, even a grass can be a weapon to overcome the obstacles and face success in life. So, for this, there is an anecdote in Mahabharata. When Kauravas and Pandavas were children, they were playing with a ball in a nearby forest. While playing, the ball just fell into a well, nearby well, and they don't know how to take the ball from the well. And they were surrounding around the well, helplessly, hopelessly not knowing how to remove the ball. At that time, a person passed through that well. He saw the children standing around the well. So he went near the well and asked the children, "What is that you are seeing?" They told, "We are being playing the ball and the ball fell into the well. We don't know how to take it out." Then he said, "Okay, please wait, I will do that." So he saw that nearby there is a grass. So he took the grass. If you see in the grass, it will be several sections will be there. If you pull that glass one section, it will be like a needle. At the end, it will be like a needle. So what he does is, he removed that one portion of the grass, and he forcefully put that grass over the ball. It went and impinged on the ball. Then he took the another portion of the grass and put inside that, because the one side it will be like a arrow side and another side there will be a hole. Like that it will be joined together. So he put like that and he makes it the form of a chain of grass. And with that he slowly removed the ball. The children were astonished. So with the grass he was able to remove the ball from the well. Then they asked, then they played and then went home. And they tell Bhishma that about this instance in the forest. So Bhishma immediately was astonished. He immediately called the person and asked, "Who you are?" He says, "I am Dronacharya." So seeing his skill, the capacity, and seeing how we can able to face whatever be the situation, was able to, just by taking the grass, he was able to find solution to the problem. So immediately appoint him as the guru for both Kauravas and Pandavas to train them in archery and other things. So this anecdote in Mahabharata explains and gives an opportunity for us to realize the truth in our life, that whatever problems we come across in our life, just like Vallavanakkum Pullum Ayudam, it means just like a skilled, erudite person, whatever available, because as God keeps, He kept the grass adjacent to the well. So that means what? For the problem, God shows solutions which is nearby the problem itself. Similarly, in our life, whenever we come across problems in life, there will be solution available nearby. That is the God's creation. But it is for us to identify the solutions, the tool for the finding the solution. If we apply our mind calmly, patiently, go inside, identify the cause for the problem, we can able to find solution to the problem. Ultimately, for all problems there is a solution. If you want to live a peaceful life, if you want to live a successful life, whatever limited resources available at your end, whatever, use it properly, make it as a tool to remove your problems, make it as a tool to achieve success in your life, and lead a happy, peaceful life at all times. This is the objective of this anecdote in Mahabharata, which tells the moral values of life. So, like this, there will be many such kinds of moral stories that gives us the ways to live a peaceful life will be explained in due course of time. Thank you.